Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming basics. Update your iPhone/iPad and HomePod Mini so AirPlay works reliably. Once done, make sure the Home app and your device use the same Apple ID and your phone and HomePod sit on the same Wi-Fi network. You need Bluetooth briefly for discovery. Keep it on. These steps reduce common pairing errors and let you focus on streaming rather than troubleshooting, so don't skip firmware and account checks before moving to playback. You tap play in the YouTube app and immediately look for the AirPlay icon. That's your link to the HomePod Mini. Once you select the HomePod, audio routes from the phone to the speaker. This works because AirPlay sends only audio to HomePod. Make sure to lower phone volume first if it's loud, then fine-tune on the HomePod or with Siri. If you want continuous audio, keep the YouTube app active or use background playback settings where supported. You finish by verifying audio is coming through the HomePod and adjusting playback controls. If video is needed, watch on the phone while audio remains on the speaker. Should it fail, restart both devices and rejoin the same Wi-Fi. This clears temporary network hiccups. If problems persist, toggle AirPlay by turning Wi-Fi or Bluetooth off and on, and confirm both devices use the same Apple ID. Mismatched accounts are a frequent cause of AirPlay refusal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.